Most people think Amazon affiliate marketing is about traffic. It's not. It's about conversions. You can get 10,000 views and make nothing. Or you can get 800 views and make consistent commissions. The difference? How you structure your content. In the last video, we talked about choosing the right products. Now let's talk about turning views into clicks, and clicks into money. Because traffic without strategy is just noise. Let's start with the biggest mistake beginners make. They review a product like they're reading a brochure. They list features. They describe the box. They explain specifications. Nobody cares. Buyers don't purchase features. They purchase outcomes. Nobody buys a mesh ergonomic lumbar supported adjustable office chair. They buy relief from back pain. Nobody buys a 4K ultra-wide autofocus camera. They buy clearer YouTube videos. So when you create your video, lead with the problem. Hook example. If you're working from home and your back is killing you after 3 hours, this might be the chair that fixes that. Now you have attention. Now you're speaking directly to a pain point. That's how you increase watch time and conversions at the same time. Next, structure matters. Here's a simple 5-part structure that converts. Hook with the problem. Quick promise of value. Show the product. Explain who it's for, and who it's not for. Clear call to action. That 4th part is powerful. When you say who it's not for, you build trust. For example, if you're over 6 feet 4 inches, this chair might feel small. Now you sound honest. Honesty builds authority. Authority builds clicks. Now let's talk about something advanced. Comparison content converts better than general reviews. Instead of reviewing one product, compare two. Product A versus Product B, which one should you buy? Why does this work? Because the viewer is already in decision mode. They're not browsing. They're choosing. And when you help them choose, they reward you with the click. Another powerful format? Budget tiers. Best under $100. Best under $300. Premium option. This captures multiple buyer levels in one video. And guess what? Even if they click the cheaper option, they might end up buying the expensive one. And you still earn. Now let's talk about placement. Do not hide your affiliate link. Say it clearly. If you want to check current pricing, the link is in the description. Simple. Direct. Confident. Don't beg. Don't sound unsure. Just guide. Because buyers want direction. Now here's something many affiliates ignore. Visual proof. Even if you don't own the product, use images, specs, customer reviews, and real-life use cases. Talk about what real buyers are saying. For example, multiple buyers mentioned the battery lasts a full workday without charging. Now it feels researched. Now it feels reliable. And here's a secret most people won't tell you. You don't need to sell aggressively. You need to reduce doubt. Doubt is what stops people from clicking. So answer the questions before they ask. Is it durable? Is it worth the price? Are there cheaper alternatives? What are the downsides? When you address objections inside your content, you remove friction. Less friction equals more commissions. Now let's talk about watch time. If people leave your video at the 2-minute mark, they never reach your link. So you need pattern interrupts. Switch camera angles. Add text emphasis. Use mini cliffhangers. For example, stay until the end because the 3rd option surprised me. Now they stay longer. Longer watch time equals more trust. More trust equals more clicks. Now here's something powerful for Amazon specifically. Remember the 24-hour cookie. Once someone clicks your link, anything they buy within 24 hours can earn you commission. So don't just link one product. Link the entire setup. If you're reviewing a desk, also link the chair, the monitor, the lamp. Because buyers rarely purchase one item. They build carts. And you benefit from the whole cart. That's strategy. Now let's talk mindset. Affiliate marketing is not a lottery ticket. It's stacking. One video might make $12. Another might make $4. Another might make $37. But when you have 30 strategic videos working for you, now you have momentum. And momentum turns small commissions into real income. Also, consistency beats intensity. You don't need viral. You need searchable. Searchable videos make money for years. Trending videos spike and die. Search-based videos compound. And compounding is where real affiliate income lives. Let's simplify the formula. Choose buyer intent products. Create problem-focused content. Compare options. Reduce doubt. Guide the click. Repeat. That's it. No magic trick. No secret loophole. Just positioning yourself between the buyer and their decision. And when you become the trusted guide in that decision, you don't chase commissions. They follow you. In the next video, we're going to break down how to find low competition buyer keywords that small channels can rank for, because visibility plus conversion is where this becomes serious. If you're building this the right way, stay consistent. We're not here for random clicks. We're building income. One strategic video at a time. Money bag.
Hey guys, so thank you so much for watching till the end of this video. I hope you learned something about the Amazon Associate or the Amazon Affiliate program and how you can sell on Amazon or share your links on Amazon. So if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe, and make sure to comment and let me know if this video is helpful. The images may not be 100% um, as you want it to be, but just listen the audio because you'll get a lot of information on there where they're so helpful, because even while I was doing this, I was learning a lot from it. Honestly, yes, of course, I was learning a lot from it. So thank you guys so much. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. And if you would like to send a gift, I will be happy. Right? Have a good day. Bye, guys.